Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are actually discussing about number instance methods. Okay, so in this video, we'll discuss about Number.prototype.toLocaleString method. So let's jump into the code. So this is the VS Code you know well. So in the previous videos, we already covered about these two instance methods of a number. So today we'll discuss about this Number.prototype.toLocaleString instance method of a number. Okay, what it is saying. So it is saying it returns a string with long way sensitive representation of a number, right? So what it means, let's see. So here I will write one function. uh, Function name language. Okay, I will pass parameter x. Okay, and I will return something. Something means what we are discussing. That only I will return. So to local string, right? Okay, I will return here. Okay, here I will do one thing. En my in. I will give this, and I will give console dot log. In this, I will call the language function and I will pass random numbers. Okay, we'll see what will happen. You are getting number right here, and observe this number and this number. Both are same, of course, but there is some difference. So difference is here you can calculate this as 2,43,543.456 in this, but here you are not you can't tell like that. You are not able to tell like that, right? It's a number, right? But here it's a number with some format. Okay, this is actually Indian format. How it can be? Because we are giving Indian code. Okay, so how it is happening, I will explain you how this local string will work. So here this is the method. This is the inbuilt instance method of a number. Actually, when we are using this method, we will call the one internal inbuilt API of a number. That's JavaScript providing. Okay, here I will tell you in this parenthesis, we actually passes local comma options. Okay, these two things we will pass in this parenthesis as a parameters. So what is mean local? Local means this is the code. Whatever the long country you are trying to get. I mean, see, in India, we want to get the Indian uh, code, Indian format. So that's why I'm using this Indian code. Indian code. If I want to get the American format, so then I can use this here as US. Okay. So this code is this local is telling about this code. I hope you understood about this local. So whatever the local, I mean, whatever the format you want, which country's format you want, you have to pass that particular country's code as a local. Okay. I hope you understood. Next, coming to this point, options. So options means, so when you are printing this, you are getting like, see now we are getting this format as US format, right? American format. So I will change to Indian format. So now we'll get as Indian format. Okay. So you are getting number as Indian format or American format, but we want to get a symbol of a American or Indian money. Okay. So let's see how we can write that. So here I'm giving the styles currency. So comma currency I'm giving Indian. Okay, comma. So we'll see first this one. So see, currency in India, currency symbol is not this, right? INR. See, let's see. See, you are getting the symbol, right? I hope you understood. Here you are getting this symbol. You are seeing, right? So that symbol we are actually getting because of options. So all these are all comes under this option. Okay, I hope you understood. So if you want to get American, just you have to change here as US. You will get the number as in US format, and you have to give here USD, means that is the dollars. You will get this dollar symbol. Okay, I hope here you are able to see this dollar. Next, one more thing I will give here, currency display. Currency display. Here I will give symbol. Okay, we'll see what will happen. See, I'm getting the symbol only. Okay, dollar symbol. See, I will write as code. I'm getting code, American code, USD, right? Uh, I will do one thing, like I will give name. So now I'm getting US dollars currency name, right? So likewise we can do that. We can give that option also based on our requirement. So next I will give like this. Here already I have written some of the things. See, this is okay. You can see here maximum significant digits. So you can see here we have given multiple digits, right? So but I am asking here, I am passing maximum significant digits as 2 only. So that means what will happen? So we are getting 2 digits only. Do you understood? Do you saw this? So we have 2 4 3 5 4 4 3, right? But we are getting 2 4 only. First 2 digits only we are getting. Remaining and all, it is not coming because of we are giving the maximum significant digits. So if we give 5, 5 up to 5 numbers, it will come. If you give only 1, up to 1 number, it will come. See, 1 number only coming. I hope you understood about this maximum significant digits. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So this one, I will tell you this. Here I will give 2 minimum fraction digits. What it will do? Here we have fraction number, right? So after the digit, sorry, after the point we have 3 digits, 3 numbers, right? But how many we are getting? We are getting 2 only because we have given minimum fraction digits as 2. We are passing 2 only. Okay, if you are changing this to 1, then we will get only 1. Wait a minute. Okay, I will refresh this. Something is wrong. Okay, I will change to 3. See, now 3 we are getting, right? 3 digits we are getting after the point. Okay, I will change to US to India. IN. Here INR. Okay. Here I will give now 1 only. So now also we are getting this. Okay. Um, Next we have maximum also. Maximum fraction digits. Maximum fraction digits. See, here getting 1 digit only. Yeah, do you got the point? Before we have given minimum fraction digits as 1. That means at least 1 should come, right? So more than 1 is coming. That's fine. It is expected. Now maximum we are passing, right? So maximum fraction digits 1 means it should not come more than 1, right? So that's why after point we are getting only one fraction, only one number we are getting in this fraction number. Okay, I'll give 2. So maximum two digits only allowed after the point. Okay, I hope you understood about this to local string. So we can actually use this local string where feature we are implementing with languages, countries, and currencies. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.